Communities thrive when they feel alive, but managing them can be chaos. AI gives you leverage. We'll design a community engine where AI supports onboarding, engagement, and knowledge curation. First, onboarding. GPT writes welcome flows that match the member's goal: learn, connect, build. New members get a quick win in 48 hours. Next, engagement. AI drafts prompts, weekly challenges, and polls that spark genuine replies. It monitors activity and nudges quiet members with personal-sounding check-ins. Knowledge is captured automatically. AI summarizes top threads weekly, tags FAQs, and builds a searchable, community wiki, so value compounds. Moderation is lightened with AI detecting tone shifts, spam, or conflict early. For growth, AI researches aligned spaces, Discords, forums, LinkedIn groups. Suggests partnerships, and drafts outreach scripts. Monetization is layered. Memberships, workshops, sponsorships. GPT drafts offers an announcement copy, while dashboards track churn, upgrades, and engagement depth. You'll finish with a community that feels personal, vibrant, and scalable. Because AI handles the heavy lifting in the background.